Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this part in SolidWorks. This is a interesting part here. So let's start with this part. Okay, I will drop it down, close it, don't save. I will open a new file, new NC. Okay, on the top plane I will draw a center rectangle and give it a dimension of 110 and make it equal. This and this equal. Sketch is fully defined. There is a radius here like this. There is a radius here of 5 mm here, 10 mm radius here, and 10 mm 4 and through holes here. So add the 70 pitch dia. Add the 70 pitch dia. Okay. So let's make it. This is actually 70, not 110. So let me make it as per drawing. This is 70, not this, it's too big, not 710, 70, like so. I will give it a fillet of 10 mm here. Yes, okay. I will draw a circle here of 70 mm and make it construction. I will draw 10 mm holes here. I will draw a hole here. I will draw it here 10 mm and make it. I will press shift and select these and make it intersection. Shift, press. I'll bring it to this intersection. Let me coincident with this, and then I will coincident with this. Now it is fully defined. I will circular pattern it this 4 times. Okay, I will make it coincident, make it section, Control Z. I will move this a little bit, and now this is fully defined. I will extrude it up to 10 mm like so. On the front plane I will draw a sketch. Let me draw first a center line here, from here origin to up there. And now I will draw couple of sketches here like so. Like so. Let me give it a dimension. This is 40 mm. As per drawing, and this is 25 mm, and this one is let me check, this one is 16 mm here. So let me make it 16 like so. And the height from here to here, it says total height is 115 mm from here to here, and this is 25 mm from here to here. Okay, so I will give it a dimension of from here to here is 25, and total from here to this there is 110 millimeter, like so. And this one is 30 millimeter. It is 30 millimeter, and this radius is 30 millimeter. From here I will go to other side and it will convert it to diameter. It's 30 millimeter die here. The sketch is fully defined. Let me close it down from here and here. Okay, I think everything is okay according to drawing. This is 30 millimeter dia here, 16 dia through, 25 dia through here, and 25 millimeter this, and 30 millimeter is the inside length of this bore. Okay, I will revolve it, revolve base, like so. Now on the front plane I will draw a sketch like so, and give it and make a construction line here and give it a dimension. From here to here is 25 millimeter, and from here to here is 36 millimeter, 30 millimeter, like so. And the height is 35 millimeter. From here to there is 35, like so. I will close the sketch. Like so. I will cut a revolve cut here, not here, revolve cut, like this. Okay, this is done. As you can see in the section view, this is as per drawing. Okay, now on the front plane I will draw a sketch. Center line first, and I will give it a dimension. From here to origin is 70 millimeter, like so. This is 70 millimeter from here. This is 70 millimeter. I am making this part here, and this is 70 millimeter here, and 10 millimeter this, and total is 110 millimeter, and so 55 here and 55 there, so it is 55 millimeter from here to here to this one. 110 millimeter, so 55 will be here. Okay, I will draw a line like so. Let me drag it a bit. Let me draw a line from here to here and to there. This is 10 millimeter. This is 80 millimeter, and this is 40 millimeter here. From here to here is 40 millimeter, like so. And the depth of this is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter here, and total length is from here to here is 55 millimeter, like so. And this dia is shown here somewhere. Let me check. The dia is shown here is 30 millimeter here. This is 30 millimeter. It's not shown here, but this one is 30 millimeter, because this is 30 millimeter from here to here, which is shown here, and it seems like it's 30 millimeter from here to here also. So let me draw it. I will give it dimension here of 30 millimeter. sketch is fully defined. I will make it a little longer, and I will give it a dimension from here to here is 7 millimeters. Okay. Let me check. This is 70 millimeter from here, and this was 115 millimeter. I made it to 110 millimeters, so I will leave it here everything as it is and go back to revolve and make some changes here. This is 115 millimeter actually, 15 millimeter. Okay, now I'll go back to my sketch. This looks fine, and I will revolve it, Revolve Base Boss, like so, and I'll merge result. Okay, like so. I will draw a sketch here of 15 millimeter, 15, and cut it. Cut up to surface, and surface is this, like so. You can see it cut here on the surface, up to surface, like so. There are holes here at 60 PCD, 60, and I'll make it for construction. Okay, there are 4 holes here of 10 millimeter, 10. Okay, I will make it a circular pattern. Number of point is wrong. I'll delete this. I will pick this point, and it's okay. I will move it a little bit and bring it back, and so it will fully define the sketch. I will cut up to next, like so. This is done. There is nothing in this inside. Okay, on the front plane I will draw another sketch. I will draw a center line from here to here, and another from here to here, and this is vertical and this is horizontal, already horizontal. I will make this coincident with this and give it a dimension from origin to here is this is 50 millimeter, like so. You can see in the drawing this is 50 millimeter from here to here. This is shown as 50 millimeter here, and 30 millimeter is dia here, shown here, 30 millimeter dia, and 27 millimeter dia here, and 25 millimeter cut here, 3 millimeter wide cut here. So, and this is total 155 millimeter. So I will draw a line like so. Like so, and close the sketch. I will give a dimension here is 30 millimeter, and this is 27 millimeter, and this is 25 millimeter. This one is 27, and total from here to here is 55 millimeter. Like so. I will drag this and give it a dimension of 3 millimeter here, and also I will give it dimension from here to here, silhouette of this 7 millimeter, like so. I will revolve it, Revolve Base Boss. I will take this, and this is done. I will make a hole here. Let's draw a sketch here of this is 15mm dia. Okay, I will cut it up to surface like so. As you can see, the cut is done. I will give it a chamfer here of 1mm and also 1mm here and 1mm there. The three places there are chamfers shown like so. I will go to Revolve Base Boss and make it unmerge result. Okay, because I need this. I will cut extrude. There are problems here. There are problems came here. Selected bodies, this body only. Delete. I will take this body only. Revolve. Okay. Selected bodies is this to cut. It should cut, but it is not doing this. I don't know why. What is the problem here? Cut, revolve, clear. I will select this and done. This is done. This one is also making problem here because the cut revolve is there. I don't need this cut revolve here. Clear section. I will use this face. This one is only. Okay, this one is done. Now the cut revolve has problem. I will remove this clear and use this instead. Okay, the chamfer is giving a problem here, so missing edges. This is one here. Clear selection. Okay, I will make another chamfer here. One millimeter here and 1mm there, like so. This is done. Now is the time for thread here. I will go for thread. Okay, I will pick this face, this edge, and offset it 2mm, and the length of it is 26mm, like so. 25.5 is better. Offset like so. I will give it 27mm. No, 28mm. Okay, this is 28mm is okay, like so. And the metric die 27.2 is okay. This is done. So this was the part here. Now is time for fillets here. There are solid bodies here, so I will use the move body copy, and I will use this. This and this. I will rotate it on the y-axis. this is y-axis 45 degree, like so, as per drawing. This is gone. Okay, this is done. Now there are 4 bodies here. I will join these bodies, combine them, combine, add. Okay, it's done. Now there is only single body here. Material is AISI 1020, and there are fillets here of 4 mm. 4 mm here, there, and there. 4 mm fillets here. Okay, like so. The part is complete. Only the appearance I want to give here, like this, so it will pop out and its appearance. There is also a fillet here of 4 mm, like so. This is 4 mm here. Okay, now the part is complete. Fillet 2 is, let me change the color, give it a color, the same red one. Okay, now the part is complete. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.